Hello, today I have some dried tofu or dried bean curd here and I can't wait to talk to you about this. Now, if this is the same things as I've had in China, this is one of my favorite snacks. It's so delicious. And this one particular is Sichuan pepper flavor. I can't wait. Oh, nice. Yes, yes. It's vacuum sealed. Oh, we can see all the flavor, the oil infused in there. Let me just take a little bit out. Super flavorful. And this is not only a snack, you can also eat this with rice as part of a meal. I remember I used to pack a package of this for lunch in school or something. There you have it, the dried tofu. Yeah, see if you can find this in the store.